Hey everybody, welcome to week 6 of anatomy, and we got a few things going on this week. One is that we are going to have a quiz on the face and neck muscles this week. I think it's scheduled for Wednesday. We are going to continue with our muscular system unit, and we're going to get into some pretty difficult stuff. So please try to focus and we'll try to provide some extra resources if you need it. And don't be afraid to ask us questions if you need it. Additionally, I just wanted to let you guys know that some exciting news is that they are starting with the science wing this week. I was in last week and we cleared everything out. It's literally empty rooms right now, empty cabinets, empty everything. And there's even some guys there that were starting a little early, taking some sledgehammers to the wall. So that was, I'm sure you guys would have enjoyed seeing that. You probably would have wanted to grab a sledgehammer as well and bash a few things. But so that's very exciting. I'll try to keep you guys updated on that. And I hope you guys are all doing well and keep insane. And hopefully the weather is going to get some nice pretty soon and we'll get outside and be able to enjoy ourselves a little more. Thanks. Bye.